How to add a payment method on Google Play on Android. This tutorial shows you how to link a card or payment option to your account in just a few steps. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. At this point, tap on Payment Methods. In the next step, you'll see your currently linked payment methods. Tap on Add Credit or Debit Card to add a new one. Following this, you can either use your camera to scan your card or enter the details manually. Once done, fill in your card number, expiry date, and CVV in the fields provided. From there, enter your billing address and tap Save to add the card to your account. At this stage, your new payment method will now be listed and ready to use for any purchases on the Play Store. From here, if you want to add a different payment method like Google Pay or carrier billing, go back to Payment Methods and tap on the relevant option from the list. Finally, keep in mind that your payment details are securely stored by Google, so you won't need to re-enter them every time you make a purchase. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a payment method on Google Play, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.